Aloha! Today's video is a summer cook with me. I'm making a bunch of Hawaiian inspired recipes for you today. My ex-husband and his new girlfriend are flying in, so me and the kids wanted to do a little ohana, which means family in Hawaiian, family cookout, pool party, barbecue for them when they get here. So we've got lots of good recipes, right?
We're gonna do cupcakes.
So keep watching and you'll get all the good recipes.
Really excited.
This recipe is like a go-to when I just need a high protein appetizer for any type of party or to watch a game. You just take frozen meatballs. I got the family size one. And then any kind of jelly, but again, I'm kind of making everything with the Hawaii twist, so I got guava jelly. And because I got the family size bag of meatballs, I'm doubling the amount of sauce that I'm making than I ordinarily would. Like usually if I just got a small bag of meatballs, I would just do 1 jar of jelly and 2 jars of chili sauce. And then you're just gonna set this on the low heat setting and you'll have delicious meatballs. All done. I used one of the umbrella toothpicks as a taste tester, but oh my God, the guava jelly makes it taste so good. And a huge thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Walmart made it so easy for me today because when I woke up this morning and the kids and I talked about it, I was able to get everything that I needed to make all of these recipes online. I put it all in my cart. I was able to do same day pickup. Any order $35 or more, it's free pickup. And in most areas, you can also get free delivery as well. So convenient for busy families to get what you need at the most affordable prices. And we got some really fun yard games too that I'm really excited to show you because I feel like for summer gatherings, whether it's a barbecue like we're gonna be having today or any kind of family gathering that you're having, it is so fun to have good games. So here's what we got. One is called Toss Like a Boss. And it's like big oversized cups. So sort of like playing a larger scale version of Pong, right?
Oh, nice, friendly. And it might be better than this. Yay!
And the kids love Jenga, but this is an oversized outdoor version of it. So I know they're gonna have so much fun playing this out there too. Here in Hawaii, but we also deal with this in Ohio, there's always lots of bugs when you're outside. So I got these really cute citronella candles. I love how they have that pretty design on them. And also some bug spray for us. And I have a Hawaii inspired lemonade recipe we're gonna make. So I loved this for serving the lemonade. I thought that was so cute. But I'll have everything linked down in my description box below for you, and be sure to check out Walmart for the most affordable prices on everything you need for having fun this summer with your family. This is the easiest lemonade recipe ever. You just need to get simply lemonade and a jar of pineapple tidbits. Tidbits. Ice. Adding in a can of pineapple tidbits. And then the Simply Lemonade. All right, let's bake some cupcakes. So for these cupcakes, you need pineapple cake. If you can't find pineapple cake, you could use yellow cake. Cream cheese frosting, you could use vanilla too. Coconut flakes and maraschino cherries. Next, I'm gonna do the appetizers, so a little fruit, cheese, and nut plate, and then I have a pineapple salsa that is so good, you're gonna love it. Macadamia nuts, this is an island staple. Some pistachios, and some cashews. And then I got some different snack cheeses. I'm just gonna do that. I like symmetry, so we're gonna save this cheese for later. Okay, and some grapes. And some strawberries. All right, snack board all done. All right, I got everything set out to make the fresh pineapple salsa. I'm gonna try to cut the pineapple like a boat, so wish me luck. I wanted to be able to like scoop, you know what I mean, this part out so that on the plate, the salsa can go like inside of the pineapple, like a little pineapple bowl. So ordinarily you'd take like the top and the bottom off the pineapple and then like cut away the skin on the outside, take out the core and then cut up the meat. But because I wanted the bowl, I didn't want to do the cuts like that. Yeah.
We're going to the beach for a quick walk, like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Just to let our sunscreen dry, and then we're gonna go in the pool.
Perfect. And my snacks will be ready by the time you get back for you. I'm trying so hard to do this whole blended family thing. I know a lot of you have asked, like, how are you doing this? And the only thing I can tell you is I just have to put my kids and their happiness before any of my feelings. And I know it means a lot to them to have some time with their dad here, where obviously like we lived here as a family and have lots of memories here, and it was such a big part of them growing up. Like landed in kindergarten, first grade here, Prezi did preschool, like her 2 years of preschool here. And they have so many friends here, and it's been so nice. Like I've set up tons of play dates for them the last 3 weeks, and now that their dad's here too, I'm happy that they can go with their dad and his new girlfriend, who, I mean, she just seems so sweet. So I just feel like what's best for the kids is if we can all just get along and, you know, put aside any of our feelings and just make it about them and put them first. So that's what I feel like I want to do, because my friends' parents growing up who had this kind of relationship, I mean, still to this day, like I just went over her mom and stepdad's house like a couple months ago, and her, you know, real dad was there too, and like all three of them, we all just like sat on the patio with them and like caught up, and it's so nice. And like that's how I want my kids to feel, is like that they don't have to choose which parent they're going to visit. Like we can all get together and be there for them. So I'm really trying to make it easy for them and make it so that they just can be happy. I just realized I need to remind Adam about the jellyfish, because it was just the full moon and he gets stung by them so badly, and I feel like he's gonna get stung. So Adam, the full moon was just Friday, so be really careful with the jellyfish. Remember how bad you got stung last time?
Honestly, I wasn't even thinking about it because he said it when I was like that.
Back to pineapple salsa making. I like doing this fresh, by the way. Like, of course you could use canned pineapple, but I think when you make this with the fresh pineapple and the fresh peppers and cilantro, it's the best. It tastes like summer. Tastes like Hawaii. Okay, last thing to add, you want to add some lime juice. You can be kind of liberal with this, because then you want to do a nice squeeze of the honey, kind of balance out that sweet and sour flavor. Give this a nice, good mix around. And then I got tortilla chips to serve it with. And my little pineapple boat bowl. I think it's so cute. It's just so fun for summer, you know. It's so fresh. So good. Gotta try this one. Okay, here's the taste test. So good. Have to try this. These teriyaki chicken kebabs are so easy. You just need a pepper, onion, chicken, teriyaki sauce. You can do mushrooms too, but I know some of the people coming don't like mushrooms, so I left the mushrooms out. everything is cut up into bite-sized pieces. So I'm just gonna take on the skewer, sort of alternate pepper, onion, piece of chicken. These are gonna be probably a little more chicken heavy too, which is fine. I feel like, you know, more protein, the better. And once the skewers are done, I just put them on a baking pan like this, and I'll show you the next step once I get all the skewers done. I have the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki sauce, but any teriyaki sauce of your choice will do. I just like this one. You wanna drizzle it on the top of your skewers. And I just save a little bit for the end. All right, cupcakes are all done baking. All right, we're gonna have 12 cupcakes because that's all that they had here, and I made a little extra pineapple cake in that square pan. All right, and I have the oven at 425 degrees. I'm gonna pop these in there for about 25 minutes, but use a meat thermometer, of course, to like check to make sure that it's all cooked thoroughly. All right, the cupcakes are done, so I'm gonna ice those. Okay, so this made them, I kind of like it though, it made the cupcakes a little flatter than normal. Oh, I need the frosting. Oh God. I'm like still getting used to it. It's not my own space, you know, but okay, I have the cream cheese frosting, and you're just gonna put a nice dollop on the top of each cupcake. Again, if you want to use vanilla frosting, that would be fine, or you could make this even more tropical if you wanted. You could do like a coconut icing, but I just did the cream cheese because I really like how the cream cheese icing tastes with the pineapple. And then I have my coconut flakes in this bowl. So I'm just gonna dip the top of the cupcake in it. And then I got this cute little, isn't this like a cute little serving tray? Pick that up today too. But then get maraschino cherries with the stem. And you're gonna put that in the center. And then add a little umbrella. I forgot to cut the pineapple for this. Hold on. Okay, got the pineapple now. But what you're supposed to do is put like the umbrella through the pineapple and stick it in. You've got a little, like, looks like a little tropical drink cupcake. I love that. Here you can see it close up. Isn't that so cute? Like a little pina colada cupcake. All right, let's eat.
Look at my plate right there.
It was like Popeye.
I already ate so much on my plate. Like, look at we eat half of this. Can I have an autograph?
Good?
Mm-hmm. It's awesome.
Got an extra umbrella.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Woohoo! Umbrellas!
That was really good.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to